Hello guys, welcome to Autonomous Academy channel. This is Shivani Dandwate. In this video, I am going to talk about right to equality, dealing with articles 14 to 18 under part 3 of Fundamental Right of Indian Constitution. I had already made previous video regarding introduction of fundamental right and its classification. If you haven't watched, please first watch previous video on Autonomous Academy channel. So, the first article which deals with equality is Article 14, which says that the state shall not deny to any person equality before the law or equal protection of the laws within the territory of India. This right is granted to every person, whether that person is a citizen of India or not. Equality before law here implies absence of any special privilege in favor of any individual. Article 14 forbids class legislation. In other words, equal should be treated equally and unequal should be treated differently. President, governor, foreign ambassadors, and sovereigns are exception to the equality mandate. Now the next article is Article 15, which says that the state shall not discriminate against any citizen on grounds of religion, race, caste, sex, place of birth, or any of them. However, a state can make any special provisions for women and children and also for the advancement of any socially and educationally backward classes of citizens. Moving on, Article 16 guarantees the right of equality of opportunity. There shall be equality of opportunity for all citizens in matters relating to employment or appointment to any office under the state. However, the state may reserve any post or appointment in favor of any backward class of citizens. Also, offices connected with a religious institution may be reserved for members professing that particular religion. Rule of equal pay for equal work is also based under this article. Even state can make special provision for reservation of appointment or post in favor of any backward class of citizen, but that class should not be already adequately represented. Now the next article is Article 17, which abolishes untouchability. The enforcement of any disability arising out of untouchability shall be an offense punishable in accordance with the law. Dignity of human being is given a sacred place through the various provisions. Therefore, it is given place in the list of fundamental rights. Under Article 35, only Parliament has the power to make laws for abolition of untouchability. In this respect, Protection of Civil Rights Act 1955 is a major step. Next article under right to equality is Article 18, which abolishes titles, but it does not prevent public institutions such as university to confer title or honor by way of honoring their men of merit. The state is not debarred from awarding military or academic distinctions even though they may be used as titles. The state is also not prevented from conferring any distinction or award like for social service, and no Indian citizen can accept a title from a foreign state. So today we have seen all the articles related to right to equality under part 3 of fundamental rights. Now in the next video we will go through the provisions of fundamental rights, right to freedom. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like and subscribe Autonomous Academy channel and do not forget to press the bell icon.